Day 23, the day that a tree fell on my best friend's house. I am not joking. It is day 23, and it is 7:51 at night. We have been really busy today. Got a text from my best friend, and a tree split and fell on his sister's car and his house. So we were doing that for a majority of the day, and I just did not get down here. So I could use the excuse that I walked 3,200 steps today and therefore moved more for the Move More movement. But I said that I wanted to do this 30 days in a row. No excuses. Let's do this. All right. This is all you're going to see, and I'm going to do the chart because we're recording this on a cell phone that has 21% battery. Probably 20% by now. Okay, let's see. Where's my exercise? Elliptical. In fact, there may not even be any edits to this. All right. Oh, okay. Incline, incline. Today was supposed to be level 5 for 4 out of 10. I'm just going to do level 3 all the way across. I am not going to move that hard either because I don't want to get my heart rate up too high right before I go to bed.
No, I'm not recording anything.
What I was going to say, if you're not recording, is, oh fudge, I'm not worried about going what I would normally go. And I could have cheated and done this twice in one day, but when I share the Fitbit data, it would show the date. And that would have told on me.
I just need to teach you how to properly edit data. I know, I don't think you really can edit that stuff. Well, you know.
I'm about 30 seconds behind where I normally am.
So I should just shut up so you can work?
No, I mean, there's no way I'm going to catch up, and I'm not worried.
So you're saying anything is better than nothing?
Correct.
So don't make an excuse, just do it. Hold on. Okay.
10 minutes down, and I went 0.43 miles. I did ramp up to level 5 for the last 4 minutes so that I did my goal of 4 minutes level 5. My speed average was 2.6 miles per hour. Because I did not stay in cardio, I do not need to do a cool down. I was on the machine for 10 minutes, 14 seconds, 654 steps. My average BPM was only 113, and my max was only 129. So I only burned 48 calories, and I was only in zone minutes for 8, but I said that I would exercise for 10 minutes, and I exercised for 10 minutes.
Oops.
Did you really fart in the middle?
Yeah, you might want to re-say that.
I'm going to leave that fart in.
No, you're not.
He never records me. I said I was going to exercise for 10 minutes. I didn't say how hard. Today, I took it easy on myself. '23's in the books. Tomorrow's 24. That's it.
Man, something smells musty. Oh, wait. It's that fart I just cut.